Welcome to the Friday Wrap, everyone. I'm Damien from Graphico as we show you the best wrap cars in Australia. Well, this week we're going to talk a little bit about the commercial side of vehicle wrapping. We all love a supercar here at Graphico, and there's nothing more than we love to be working on Huracans and Ferraris and other exotics. But a big part of what we still do is the commercial vehicle graphics, the fleet graphics, the vans and utes and trailers and all sorts of other things and trucks that we do day in, day out. We've just completed a major rollout for the Donata catering fleet. That started off as Alpha Flight Services. We've rebranded that to Donata Catering. We've worked on 150 vehicles around Australia, utilising our network of install teams located all around Australia. So we're able to project manage that project from start to finish, which included the design, the print and production, and the actual installation of the graphics onto the vehicles around Australia on site, down at the various airports around Australia. So pretty challenging job there, over 150 vehicles sporadically located all over Australia, so threw up a few different challenges there. We're really proud to be involved in such a great project with this client. Our team worked really tirelessly around the clock to get the job done on time for the client. Great result in the end, and we're very happy to have it completed. Well, thanks for tuning into the Friday Wrap. I'm Damien from Graphico. Don't forget to tune in next week as we show you the best wrap cars in Australia.